What's up, guys? Welcome to All That Chaz. Today we are going to do a wash and go, my version of that. As you see right here, I am putting some of the main choices 4-leaf type Clover curling cream on my hair. Make sure your hair is damp and distribute that product all over your hair. Y'all see I'm having some technical difficulties. The hair was getting all in my face. Then I'm taking my Demnan Brush and I'm going to detangle my hair. I started off, guys, with freshly washed and conditioned hair. I like to do my part in the center of my hair. Next, we're going to take that Ecostyler Gel and coat it on each section of my hair, and we're going to detangle. Excuse my crazy faces, guys. It kind of hurts a little bit with all these curls trying to detangle. Next, I'm using my Camille Rose hair growth oil. Got to apply that before starting with the gel. Alright, guys, make sure you coat your hair with that Ecostyler Gel. It's going to make sure that that style lasts as long as it can. Alright, now we're moving on to the right hand side. Alright, guys, for my nighttime routine, I use a bonnet and I sleep on a satin pillowcase. In the mornings, I do finger my hair out. You know, it gets matted when you sleep at night. Or I use a blow dryer in the morning to poof it back out. This style usually lasts me about a week, but you might have to do an alternative style like a puff or something. Alright, guys, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I do sit up under the dryer with my wash and goes. I learned that the style lasts longer when I do that. So I will be right back. Alright, I'm starting out with my Cantu oil sheen, and then I'm going to kind of turn my head upside down and blow dry my hair a little bit to give it more volume. And I'm continuing that process, and I kind of sit back up straight and blow dry on the sides. And here's the finished product. Thank you for watching All That Chaz, and until next time.